Okay, because I came very ill prepared and totally forgot to do the flip through before I left home. Here it is. This is the trade journal for our Seaside Soiree for Damsels in Lace. And this is just what I did. So the digitals are from many different people. Just having done text spots and of course trying to use lace wherever I could, because it is, after all, for the Damsels in Lace. So like I said, it's just going to be a very quick flip through, but I was happy with the way it came out. I did a lot of stenciling in this that I've not done in the past, and pretty pleased with the way it turned out. Just a little here and there. Did some cutting around this. If I see an image that I think will work, I will print it on paper and then back it on cardstock and then cut it out. A little booklet with some antique ledger paper. This paper is really cool. It's either Japanese or Chinese, and I think that they use it for doing their particular type of drawing or calligraphy. And when it's dyed, it dries perfectly flat, which never happens with paper. So I wanted to put a little piece of that in there that I had. More stenciling. Did a lot of edging on the pages, and then what I did was I took my my cut pieces on cardstock and treated them like stencils. So I might actually try to develop a line of stencils that my husband could help me with, because those are really fun. Last minute pocket with an antique book page. My little window envelopes I love doing. I did a lot of fussy cutting pieces here and there, and I love printing on vellum and then overlaying it. This is a antique envelope, I think from Belgium. Probably not that old, maybe from the 40s. More stenciling. An envelope that I printed from, I know this came from Paper Cameo, with some antique lace and a little, I don't know if you could see it, it's like a mother of pearl sequin. And then I printed on the inside as well, and just put some lace on it. More stenciling using the edges of my edge punch. Little packet of things with a little feather, because after all it is a seaside theme. And I've been having fun with stencils because I never really realized you could like use different colors and do that, because I haven't done that much of it. So add that, and just some more layered pieces. A piece of an old French document of some sort. This is the largest signature I've ever done, having only done up to maybe 8 pages total, and this one was 15. So another stencil, did a little hand coloring on those. More of the edge cuts. More little pieces, a little booklet. There's more of that. Stencil. A little octopus. A little more octopus. Some vintage passementerie that I had hand dyed. And this is a French election card, which is really cool. More stenciling. More lace. I dyed all of these laces. More stencils. A ruffle of this vintage drapery fabric that I really loved. It's just such a fine, wonderful texture. More of that vintage trim, more of the stenciling, and another pocket made from fussy cutting out an image. And there's some more of that stencil, antique French book page, another digital, and just made a pocket. This I think it might have been paper cameo as well. Like I said, the images came from all over the place, and when I put this up on YouTube, I will indeed link to all the ones that I used when I can hunt them all down. And the back one is just a tag with a little piece of velvet ribbon. And that's it. That's her. And I really hope the person that gets it enjoys it. So we'll post more soon, I hope. Have a great day. Bye-bye.